Good afternoon, everyone. I just wanted to go over EOS again. I came across some information. It was a little bit, I had to attain more information. I should have attained this information before posting. But when I saw the intraday chart, this candle here, normally that's associated with dilution. I went to go check the SEC filings and saw the form 1A, and sure enough they were diluting, but I wasn't sure if it was over or not. So I guess I kind of assumed after seeing this candle and then the SEC filing that they were diluting. But according to AI, the offering closed on August 3rd for 6.89 million shares issued into the market for the Frontier PowerPoint USA joint venture funding. But now that we got this information out of the way, let's head back to the chart. Daily, we go back to, let's do 9 months. So yeah, I now that we got the dilution issue out of the way, I still think the pattern is valid, because the thing with dilution is it just we can be analyzing a chart pattern and then it just eats shit, and then you got to start to think why, analyze that, and then 90% of the time it's because of dilution. So I was just a little apprehensive and wanted to clear that out of the way. So going back to the chart, I believe that the price action is going to fill the second bottom here. It filled the first bottom here, created the peak and neckline, and now I believe it's going to fill around the 311 range, the three somewhere into the $3 and teens range, and from there it's going to bounce up, and then it's going to test this neckline. You're going to have some resistance at this neckline around the 450 area, and then maybe 1 to 3 tests, and then eventually it'll break it. But after it breaks, then the pattern would hence be confirmed. But after the pattern's confirmed, the price action is most likely going to retest the neckline. The bears are going to try and push it back down, and but once the pattern confirmed, it's definite. So after the bears try and retest it back down to the neckline, it's going to bounce off and head up, and most likely make a flagpole. Let's get that into the green. Take this air off. So yeah, it's gonna create this flagpole like so, and I think the flag is gonna reach up to 6, because as you can see, these candles right here that had a little support before the break. So then the support then becomes resistance, and then from there we should see this happening. It should come down like this. The price action is going to come down like this in a flag, and then it'll meet the 450 support at confirmation, and this will be the flag pattern. And then from there, it should break out of the flag pattern and rally. So yeah, I just wanted to go over this one with you guys again. Sorry for the back and forth with the dilution. It's just the dilution, like I said, makes us analysts look like assholes. So we just want to cover our ass. But yeah, I'm probably gonna if I'll probably get a starter tomorrow. I wanted to see what it did today, and sure enough, it fell. But if I'll get a small starter, and then it will, if it does hit the 311 range, I'm gonna probably load up and then just hold on as a long until it breaks, and then it gets to the flag pattern. And I would ideally say an exit range. An exit would probably be good a little below the 6 range, and then wait for the price to drop to the 450, reload there, and then it should take off again. So yeah, just wanted to go over that with you guys again, and yeah, have a good rest of the week. Hope you made money today.